Hello everyone. Today let us learn how to write cursive alphabets from A to Z. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Capital E, small e. Capital F, small f. Capital G, small g. Capital H, small h. Capital I, small I. Capital J, small j. Capital K, small k. Capital L, capital L, small l. Capital M, small m. Capital N, small n. Capital O, small o. Capital small p. Capital Q, small q. Capital R, small r. Capital S, small s. Capital T, small t. Capital U, small u. Capital V, small v. Capital W, small w. Capital X, small x. Capital Y, small y. Capital Z, small z. This is how we write cursive alphabets, capital and A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.